When you're young and in an inner city, it's really important to have people to look up to. Who were your sort of heroes of cricket at that time, or was just playing cricket at the local club enough for you?
Looking up to at that time was, Delroy Morgan. He represent Jamaica. Um, he was superb. He was the captain for Lucas Cricket Club at the time. Wonderful opening batsman. But unfortunately, he couldn't get into West Indies side because he has dominated first class cricket so much. But you have the likes of Greenidge and Haynes at that particular time, and he just couldn't get in the team. But he was definitely my role model. And then as a youngster, then eventually get to the chance to play with him was really really good. Even my brother, Michael Crew, we played together, was very talented and very straightforward, always giving you the stick when you need to do the right things and those other things. And it has helped me over the years to actually be a better man, a better cricketer. And I learned the hard way, and eventually it actually paid off later on down in my cricketing career.
And who sort of helped you the most, do you think? Because as the legend that you now are, two triple centuries has only been done by a handful of players, including Brian Lara and Don Bradman and Sehwag.
Yeah, I mean, it's good to fit in that category with so many great names, Bradman, Lara, Sehwag. To actually achieve such a thing, it's not easy, I can tell you that for sure. And it's really, really good to actually be in such area. But these days, the brand is Mr. T20, But I can't complain about that. I've done I've done the damages there as well. So, people tend to focus on what's happening now rather than what has happened before. So that's only reality and so forth. But that's how it is at this particular time, and just try and enjoy each and every moment, and hopefully you can create other historic things by winning trophies and setting ventures and setting example for other players as well.